So I mean, very few company in Gujarat have this kind of, a portfolio for the students. So you're getting a lot of exposure out here. So I can only say that in this 1 year, you have to take it very seriously, learn a lot on practical things, but most important thing is your flexibility. You need to be more flexible enough, because don't have an hindrance in your mind that if you want, why you will be employable if you have flexibility. If you have hindrance in your mind that I am perfect for quality, I'll not even work for production, or I don't want to do any designing job, then I'm sorry guys, nowadays all the recruiters are looking for the people who are very flexible enough and who can work in any kind of field, any kind of branch, wherever their employers would, make them fit into. So, you need to be very flexible. See, you guys have, you will tell me that, okay, we are, electronics and communication engineer, why we should work on different kind of portfolio. But did you thought any time saying that why I'm in a company where, how this CEO or how this MD would have worked, or a multinational company's MD or CEO would have worked or reached to this position of MD or a CEO? Not like that. If they are working in the same field for their whole life, they would have never become a CEO or an MD. They would have started from scratch like you people, working on lower level jobs, because that also you need to learn. How you will train your employees in future if you want to start your own business? How will you train them if you don't have the knowledge of the scratch work or a ground level work? So please just be open whenever you are learning. Just be open. Try to explore yourself in each and every field, whichever opportunity you are getting. So I'm sure at the end of the year you will be employable, because I never see in this years when my tenure of a placement officer, I don't know why people are saying there's a huge inflation or recession going on in the electronics and communication field. I don't believe in this. Because now I can say there's a huge opportunity for electronics and communication students.